Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together. Again, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. And of course, we will be checking out different assets to see what to go for whenever we are trading. But if you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash whenever you are trading, okay, most especially whenever you are trading, okay. And of course, in case you are joining me for the first time and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see the red flag, you can see the red arrow, and of course it kept going down till it got to this support zone. In case you don't know, this is 3M trend Mioka trading indicator that I am having on my chart, okay, and I'm on 5-minute time frame, okay. So after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend. You can see the market, the movement was not that smooth around there, but broke out around this resistance zone around there till it got to a new resistance zone, because it broke out from this particular one, okay. So since it's unable to break out from this particular resistance zone, it pulled back a bit, and it will be trying it out again. If it's unable to break out above it, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. Here is a downtrend color, which is the red color, okay. And of course it gave us a sell signal, and of course it started selling right from there. But you can see right there, it got to a support zone and it pulled back. The same thing happened around there. It also had a pullback, but went back there to break out below the support zone to give us more selling opportunity. But after getting to the support zone, it was unable to go below that, so it started an uptrend right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, okay. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. So guys, this is crash 1000, and it has been on downtrend for a very long time. The reason is the market actually got to this resistance zone and it was unable to go above it, so it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag right from there, so it started selling right from there, and of course it kept on selling until it got to this support zone, and of course it is still selling at the moment, except if it's unable to break out below this support zone, that is when it will go back on buy trend. But for now it's going to be trying it out again, okay. So this is still selling at the moment, but if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then definitely it will go back on buy trend, okay. So this is very, very important for us to take note of, okay. The next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It had been on uptrend for a very long time. You can see the yellow flag. It kept on buying and buying and buying, broke out from this resistance zone, and of course got to a new resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying till it gets to the next resistance zone. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. The last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. It started an uptrend right from there, and of course got to this resistance zone, was unable to go further, so it started selling right from there. So it gave us a downtrend right from there, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Here are what we have for today, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal practice. You need to practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.